What is up everyone, and how are you doing today? A little bit of a different style video. I kind of wanted to share with you what I think the future of this channel is going to be and some of the things I want to kind of cover in the year of 2020. As you may know, this channel has been so far focused on programming and all programming concepts and doing certain projects with programming, which is definitely something I do want to continue. But maybe you've noticed, but my videos have been a little bit different. I add that little twist of cinematography and trying to combine, the knowledge I'm trying to share with you with interesting content that wouldn't bore most people. Because I know there is so many tutorials out there on programming, on doing things with programming, on doing some DIY stuff that are only purely code focused and not many people who might be new to it understand. And that's something I don't want to do. I want to keep all my videos very interesting, and I don't want it to be as much of a tutorial, but more of something that will encourage people who are new or who are in the industry to try something new, to try something fun and experiment with what coding has to offer. Now, I want to focus on coding and programming as one thing, but I also want to move into the direction of videography and kind of presenting things in a fun way and having a little bit of fun with what I do and the projects I make, so everything stays interesting. I don't want anything to ever get boring. So one of the ideas that I had with giving variety to this channel is not to just keep it strictly focused on programming, which I'm still going to do, don't get me wrong, but I also want to extend this into kind of my daily life and how I approach things as a software engineer on a daily basis, what my work life looks like, how the whole process of me applying to companies is going to look like because I'm graduating this year, my future plans, maybe setting up my own company. And I don't know if you've noticed, but a lot of my videos, I try and keep things more interesting. I don't just like sitting down and talking into the camera and keeping things very monotone, but I like to make things interesting. I like to showcase and have a little bit of fun in my videos. And I'm kind of working on that, and I'm trying to make it more interesting. I've been doing a lot of background work in between all these videos. I've been planning, I've been programming, I've been designing, I've been working with other people that will also hopefully inspire you guys to do things like that on your own. And I kind of want to give all my videos this nice twist of having that concept of cinematography in there, making things more interesting, more presentational, and fun. Fun is the most important thing, because if something is fun, it will encourage you guys to do similar things to this. And I highly encourage you guys to do that. If anything sounds appealing that I have just said, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you still haven't, and make sure you ring that notification bell to stay in touch with all the latest videos that I'm going to be releasing. Now today we're going to be celebrating the new year, so I wish you guys a happy new year, and I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. And now, like I said, because I like to keep my videos interesting, enjoy a little clip from my trip to Paris during Christmas. And I'll see you guys very soon next year. Bye.
Good afternoon, this is your